inside Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo! He's in good shape.
That's typical, absolutely brilliant. Turning defence into attack.
Grip ball. Ronaldo, he's onside. He's beaten the defence. He draws Valdez! Cristiano Ronaldo with a platinum touch! And is that the goal? But not just silences the Camp Nou, but silences Barcelona's chances of the championship.
Well, there's nothing strappy about that goal. What a fabulous work movement.
Cristiano Ronaldo makes his mark. And they're starting to attach the ribbons to the trophy.
That's the perfect start.
Ronaldo, they all back away from him again, and he shoots. Oh, it's got in! A second goal, a thunderbolt from Ronaldo. Real Madrid are looking unbeatable here. We knew it was a tough game, but two fabulous strikes.
This Kaká.
Oh, well, Gomez, I'm sure, will be disappointed he was beaten there. But just to add insult to injury, it's the former Manchester United man, Cristiano Ronaldo, who scores the killer.
Quiere arrancar Cristiano Ronaldo, deja a Cristiano para Kaká. Kaká busca a Cristiano, ahí llega el portugués, el centro para Higuaín. ¡Gol!
The Portuguese young international. Free kick in the end.
Ronaldo. I think he's going to get him going into this occasion. Not going very far there. Lampard video. Well, he just left his foot there and caught Lampard. What a pass that is. Rooney to Ronaldo. And Ronaldo stumbles over Belletti, who comes back for more, takes it down. Cynical enough that Howard Webb goes straight to his ball.
Certainly friends again now. Rooney provider, Ronaldo.
There'll be no silverware heading to the Arsenal trophy cabinet. Ronaldo failed cruelly. The gap on Chelsea tonight as well to 6 points. Again and again and again. It's Ronaldo who can break again. And can he kill the Swedish dream? He has done, surely. Well, when he's around, you've always got a chance. As they need. But it's a chance for Ronaldo again. Hat-trick. He has written his name all over this tie. And there is no doubt now he's paved their path to Rio. It's absolutely incredible. His movement, his first touch, and his finishing tonight has just been extraordinary. The Swedish fans shaking their heads, the coach is shaking his head. He cannot believe, irrepressible, irreplaceable, a rampant Ronaldo has delivered a
And then Ronaldo!
If you type up to us, all the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding.
Ball deflects through everyone, almost called a Sami Khedira. Ronaldo! Oh! Did he really just do that?
You got to be kidding me. You have to be kidding me.
Here he comes.
Oh my word!
But now it's Ronaldo who can break again. And can he kill the Swedish dream? He has done, surely. But it's a chance for Ronaldo again. footballer on the planet.
Just words cannot.
And then Ronaldo! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute... Right out of the top drawer from Cristiano Ronaldo. And Marseille...
Ronaldo.
Magnificent!
A few seconds before, he's the one thinking, he's pulling this back. Everybody else is just ball watching. And what a lovely finish by him. What a lovely finish by the superstar.